Northern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elizabethville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Rikers, Elizabethville, Youngstown, Tower City, Urban, Fort Indiantown Gap, Penn National Race Course, Hammer Dam, Wickenaskill, Gretz, and Dalmatia. This includes Interstate 81 between mile markers 80 and 85, and to mile markers 92 to 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill,